بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
Allah's name to commence with, the most gracious, the most merciful.
قد أفلح المؤمنون
Undoubtedly, the believers reached their goals.
الذين هم في صلاتهم خاشعون
Those who totally humble themselves in their salah.
والذين هم عن اللغو معرضون
And who do not incline towards vain talk.
والذين هم للزكاة فاعلون
And those that work to pay zakah consistently.
والذين هم لفروجهم حافظون
And those who protect their private parts.
إلا على أزواجهم أو ما ملكت أيمانهم فإنهم غير ملومين.
Except from their wives or the lawful handmaids whom they possess, that there is no blame upon them.
فمن ابتغى وراء ذلك فأولئك هم العادون.
So, whoever desires anything more than these two, only they are the transgressors.
والذين هم لأماناتهم وعهدهم راعون
And those who take care of their trusts and their promise.
والذين هم على صلواتهم يحافظون
And those who guard their salah.
أولئك هم الوارثون.
These people are the heirs.
الذين يرثون الفردوس هم فيها خالدون.
That they will attain the inheritance of paradise. They will abide therein forever.
ولقد خلقنا الإنسان من سلالة من طين.
Indeed, we created man from selected soil.
ثم جعلناه نطفة في قرار مكين.
Then made him a drop of fluid in his strong resting place.
ثم خلقنا النطفة علقة فخلقنا العلقة مضغة فخلقنا المضغة عظاما فكسونا العظام لحما ثم أنشأناه خلقا آخر فتبارك الله أحسن الخالقين.
We then turned the drop of fluid into a clot of blood, then the clot of blood into a piece of flesh, then the piece of flesh into bones, then clothed the bones with flesh, then developed it into another form. So, Allah is the most auspicious, the best creator.
ثم إنكم بعد ذلك لميتون.
Then you are certainly to die thereafter.
ثم إنكم يوم القيامة تبعثون.
Then you all will be raised on the day of resurrection.
ولقد خلقنا فوقكم سبع طرائق وما كنا عن الخلق غافلين. And
we have indeed created 7 paths above you, and we are not unaware of creation.
وأنزلنا من السماء ماء بقدر فأسكناه في الأرض وإنا على ذهاب به لقادرون.
And we sent down water from the sky in a measured amount, then stored it in the earth, and we indeed have power to take it away.
فأنشأنا لكم به جنات من نخيل وأعناب لكم فيها فواكه كثيرة ومنها تأكلون.
So with it, we produced gardens of date trees and grapes for you. Therein is abundant fruit for you, and you eat therefrom.
وشجرة تخرج من طور سيناء تنبت بالدهن وصبغ للآكلين.
And created the olive tree that comes forth from Mount Sinai, which grows containing oil and gravy for the eaters.
وإن لكم في الأنعام لعبرة نسقيكم مما في بطونها ولكم فيها منافع كثيرة ومنها تأكلون.
And in the cattle is indeed a lesson for you. We make you drink from that which is in their bellies, and there are many benefits for you in them, and in them is food for you.
وعليها وعلى الفلك تحملون.
And on them and on ship you are carried.
ولقد أرسلنا نوحا إلى قومه فقال يا قوم اعبدوا الله ما لكم من إله غيره أفلا تتقون.
And we indeed sent Nuh towards his nation. So he said, O my people, worship Allah. You do not have any other God except Him. Do you hence not have fear?
فقال الملأ الذين كفروا من قومه ما هذا إلا بشر مثلكم يريد أن يتفضل عليكم ولو شاء الله لأنزل ملائكة ما سمعنا بهذا في آبائنا الأولين.
So the disbelieving chiefs of his people said, He is not but a human like you. He wishes to become your superior, and had Allah willed, He would have sent down angels. We did not hear about this from our early forefathers.
إن هو إلا رجل به جنة فتربصوا به حتى حين.
He is not but an insane man, therefore wait for some time concerning him.
قال رب انصرني بما كذبون.
Nuh submitted, O my Lord, help me on this reason that they belied me.
فأوحينا إليه أن اصنع الفلك بأعيننا ووحينا فإذا جاء أمرنا وفاردت النور فاسلك فيها من كل زوجين اثنين وأهلك إلا من سبق عليه القول منهم ولا تخاطبني في الذين ظلموا إنهم مغرقون.
We henceforth sent him the revelation that in front of us and by our command construct the ark. Then when our command comes and the clay oven gushed forth water, so take into it a pair male and female of each species and your family, except those upon whom the word has already been decreed, and do not speak to me regarding these unjust people. These people will definitely be drowned.
فإذا استويت أنت ومن معك على الفلك فقل الحمد لله الذي نجانا من القوم الظالمين.
And when you and those with you have firmly boarded the ark, then say, all praise is due to Allah who has rescued us from these unjust people.
وقل رب أنزلني منزلا مباركا وأنت خير المنزلين.
And submit, O my Lord, cause me to disembark at a blessed place, and you are the best to bring to land.
إن في ذلك لآيات وإن كنا لمبتلين.
Indeed, in this are definitely signs, and we were indeed definitely testing.
ثم أنشأنا أنشأنا من بعدهم قرنا آخرين.
Then after them we created another generation.
فأرسلنا فيهم رسولا منهم أن اعبدوا الله ما لكم من إله غيره أفلا تتقون.
So we sent among them a messenger Hud from them who said, "Worship Allah, you have no God except Him. So do you not fear?"
وقال الملأ من قومه الذين كفروا وكذبوا بلقاء الآخرة وأترفناهم في الحياة الدنيا ما هذا إلا بشر مثلكم يأكل مما تأكلون منه ويشرب مما تشربون.
And said the leaders of his people who disbelieved and denied being present in the hereafter, and we gave them comfort in this worldly life, that he is nothing but a human like you. He eats from what you eat and drinks from what you drink.
وَلَئِنْ أَطَعْتُمْ بَشَرًا مِثْلَكُمْ إِنَّكُمْ إِذًا لَخَاسِرُونَ.
If you were to obey a human like yourselves, you will thus definitely be in loss.
أَيَعِدُكُمْ أَنَّكُمْ إِذَا مِتُّمْ وَكُنْتُمْ تُرَابًا وَعِظَامًا أَنَّكُمْ مُخْرَجُونَ.
Does he, the Prophet Hud, promise you that when you die and turn into dust and bones, you will be raised again?
هَيْهَاتَ هَيْهَاتَ لِمَا تُوعَدُونَ.
How far away is it? How far away is it, the promise that you are given?
إِنْ هِيَ إِلَّا حَيَاتُنَا الدُّنْيَا نَمُوتُ وَنَحْيَا وَمَا نَحْنُ بِمَبْعُوثِينَ.
There is nothing except our life of this world, that we die and we live, and we are not to be brought back to life.
إِنْ هُوَ إِلَّا رَجُلٌ افْتَرَى عَلَى اللَّهِ كَذِبًا وَمَا نَحْنُ لَهُ بِمُؤْمِنِينَ.
He is not but just a man who has fabricated lie against Allah, and we are not to believe him.
قَالَ رَبِّ انصُرْنِي بِمَا كَذَّبُونَ.
He submitted, "O my Lord, help me on this, that they have belied me."
قَالَ عَمَّا قَلِيلٍ لَيُصْبِحُنَّ نَادِمِينَ.
Said Allah, "After a little while in the morning they will become regretful."
فأخذتهم الصيحة بالحق فجعلناهم غثاء فبعدا للقوم الظالمين.
So the true scream seized them. We consequently made them like the rubbish of dry grass. Away therefore with the unjust people.
ثم أنشأنا من بعدهم قرونا آخرين.
Then after them we created other generations.
ما تسبق من أمة أجلها وما يستأخرون.
No nation can go ahead of its period of death nor stay behind.
ثم أرسلنا رسلنا تترى كلما جاء أمة رسولها كذبوه فأتبعنا بعضهم بعضا وجعلناهم أحاديث فبعدا لقوم لا يؤمنون.
We then sent our messengers one after the other. Whenever a nation's messenger came to it, they belied him. We consequently joined the latter ones with the former ones in destruction and made them stories of the past. Away therefore with the people who do not believe.
ثم أرسلنا موسى وأخاه هارون بآياتنا وسلطان مبين.
We then sent Musa and his brother Harun with our signs and clear authority
إلى فرعون وملئه فاستكبروا وكانوا قوما عالين.
towards Fir'aun and his courtiers. They were therefore arrogant and they were in a position of dominance.
فقالوا أنؤمن لبشرين مثلنا وقومهما لنا عابدون.
So they said, shall we believe in two humans like ourselves, whereas their nation for us is in servitude?
فكذبوهما فكانوا من المهلكين.
So they belied them both. They therefore became of those who were destroyed.
ولقد آتينا موسى الكتاب لعلهم يهتدون.
And we indeed gave Musa the book that they may attain guidance.
وجعلنا ابن مريم وأمه آية وآويناهما إلى ربوة ذات قرار ومعين.
And we made Maryam and her son a sign, and we gave them shelter on an elevated land, a place to stay and running water before their sight.
يا أيها الرسل كلوا من الطيبات واعملوا صالحا إني بما تعملون عليم.
O messengers, eat pure things and perform good deeds. I am aware of your actions.
وإن هذه أمتكم أمة واحدة وأنا ربكم فاتقون.
And indeed, this religion of yours is only one religion, which is Islam, and I am your Lord. Therefore, fear me.
فتقطعوا أمرهم بينهم زبرا كل حزب بما لديهم فرحون.
But their nations broke their matter, i.e., their religion, into pieces. Every group is happy with what it has.
فذرهم في غمرتهم حتى حين.
Leave them therefore in their intoxication of misguidance until a certain time.
أيحسبون أنما نمدهم به من مال وبنين.
Do they assume that we are helping them by giving them wealth and sons?
نسارع لهم في الخيرات بل لا يشعرون.
Because we hasten to give them good things? Never, rather they are unaware.
إن الذين هم من خشية ربهم مشفقون.
Indeed, those who are in panic due to the fear of their Lord.
والذين هم بآيات ربهم يؤمنون.
And those who believe in the verses of their Lord.
والذين هم بربهم لا يشركون.
And those who do not ascribe any partner to their Lord.
والذين يؤتون ما آتوا وقلوبهم وجلة والذين يؤتون ما آتوا وقلوبهم وجلة أنهم إلى ربهم راجعون.
And those who give whatever they give, and their hearts are fearing because they have to return to their Lord.
أولئك يسارعون في الخيرات وهم لها سابقون.
These people hasten to perform goodness, and it is they who are first to attain them, i.e., the good deeds.
ولا نكلف نفسا إلا وسعها ولدينا كتاب ينطق بالحق وهم لا يظلمون.
And we do not burden any soul but according to its capacity. And with us is a book, i.e., the preserved tablet that speaks the truth, and they will not be wronged.
بل قلوبهم في غمرة من هذا ولهم أعمال من دون ذلك هم لها عاملون.
Rather, their hearts are in the negligence of this, i.e. the Quran, and their works, i.e. the works of the disbelievers, are different from those of the believers that they are doing.
حتى إذا أخذنا مترفيهم بالعذاب إذا هم يجأرون.
Until when we seized the wealthy amongst them with punishment, they immediately began pleading,
لا تجأروا اليوم إنكم منا لا تنصرون.
Do not plead this day, you will not be helped from our side.
قد كانت آياتي تتلى عليكم فكنتم على أعقابكم تنكصون.
Indeed, my verses were being recited to you. You consequently used to turn back on your heels.
مستكبرين به سامرا تهجرون.
You boast on serving the sacred mosque, at night blabbering absurd stories therein, whilst discarding the truth.
أفلم يدبروا القول أم جاءهم ما لم يأت آباءهم الأولين.
Have they not pondered over the word, i.e. the Quran, or did that come to them which did not come to their forefathers?
أم لم يعرفوا رسولهم فهم له منكرون.
Or did they not recognize their messenger? Consequently, they think of him as an alien.
أم يقولون به جنة بل جاءهم بالحق وأكثرهم للحق كارهون.
Or they say, he is suffering from madness. Rather, he brought the truth, i.e. the Quran to them, and most of them dislike the truth.
ولو اتبع الحق أهواءهم لفسدت السماوات والأرض ومن فيهن بل أتيناهم بذكرهم فهم عن ذكرهم معرضون.
And had the truth, i.e. the Quran, followed their desires, the heavens and the earth and all those who are between them would have henceforth definitely been destroyed. Rather, we have brought to them such a thing in which there was fame for them. So, there are those who have actually turned away their faces from their own prestige.
أم تسألهم خرجا فخراج ربك خير وهو خير الرازقين.
Do you, O beloved, ask any recompense from them? So, the reward of your Lord is the best, and He is the best provider of sustenance.
وإنك لتدعوهم إلى صراط مستقيم.
Indeed, you call them to the straight path.
وإن الذين لا يؤمنون بالآخرة عن الصراط لناكبون.
And indeed, those who do not believe in the hereafter have definitely deviated from the straight path.
ولو رحمناهم وكشفنا ما بهم من ضر للجوا في طغيانهم يعمهون.
And if we have mercy upon them and remove the calamity which has befallen them, they would still stubbornly persist, wandering in their rebellion.
ولقد أخذناهم بالعذاب فما استكانوا لربهم وما يتضرعون.
And we indeed seized them in punishment, hence neither did they submit themselves in the majestic court of their Lord, nor do they humble themselves.
حتى إذا فتحنا عليهم بابا ذا عذاب شديد إذا هم فيه مبلسون.
To the extent that when we open the gate of any severe punishment upon them, they are lying in despair therein.
وهو الذي أنشأ لكم السمع والأبصار والأفئدة قليلا ما تشكرون.
And it is He who created ears and eyes and hearts for you. You appreciate very little.
وهو الذي ذرأكم في الأرض وإليه تحشرون.
And it is He who has spread you on the earth, and only towards Him you are to be raised.
وهو الذي يحيي ويميت وله اختلاف الليل والنهار أفلا تعقلون.
And it is He who gives life and causes death, and in His authority is the alternation of night and day. Do you not therefore have sense?
بل قالوا مثل ما قال الأولون.
Rather, they said the same as what the former people used to say.
قالوا أإذا متنا وكنا ترابا وعظاما أإنا لمبعوثون.
They said, "What? When we die and turn into dust and bones, will we be raised again?
لقد وعدنا نحن وآباؤنا هذا من قبل إن هذا إلا أساطير الأولين.
Indeed, this promise was given to us and before us to our forefathers. This is nothing but the same former fabricated stories."
قل لمن الأرض ومن فيها إن كنتم تعلمون.
Say you, O beloved, to whom does the earth and all that is therein belong, if you know?
سيقولون لله قل أفلا تذكرون.
They will now say, to Allah. Say you, O beloved, why do you not then ponder?
قل من رب السماوات السبع ورب العرش العظيم.
Say you, O beloved, who is the owner of the seven heavens and the owner of the great throne?
سيقولون لله قل أفلا تتقون.
They will now say, this is the grandeur of Allah. Say you, O beloved, why do you not then fear?
قل من بيده ملكوت كل شيء وهو يجير ولا يجار عليه إن كنتم تعلمون.
Say you, O beloved, in whose hand is the control of all things, and He provides refuge, and no one can provide refuge against Him if you know.
سيقولون لله قل فأنا تسحرون.
They will now say, this is the grandeur of Allah. Say you, O beloved, then by what type of magic are you deceived?
بل أتيناهم بالحق وإنهم لكاذبون.
Rather, we brought the truth to them, and they are indeed liars.
ما اتخذ الله من ولد وما كان معه من إله إذا لذهب كل إله بما خلق ولعلى بعضهم على بعض سبحان الله عما يصفون.
Allah did not take for Himself any child, nor is there any other God with Him. If it was so, each God would have therefore taken away his creation, and each one would certainly seek superiority over the other. Purity is to Allah from those things which they fabricate.
عالم الغيب والشهادة فتعالى عما يشركون.
Allah is the knower of every concealed and visible, so supreme is He from what they associate.
قل رب إما تريني ما يوعدون.
Submit you, O beloved, that, O my Lord, if you show me what they are promised.
رب فلا تجعلني في القوم الظالمين.
So, O my Lord, do not include me amongst the unjust.
وإنا على أن
indeed have power to show you what we are promising them.
ادفع بالتي هي أحسن السيئة نحن أعلم بما يصفون.
Repel evil with that which is the best goodness. We know well the matters that they fabricate.
وقل رب أعوذ بك من همزات الشياطين.
And you, O beloved, submit, O my Lord, I seek your refuge from the evil suggestions of the devil.
وأعوذ بك رب أن يحضرون.
And O my Lord, I seek your refuge that lest they come to me.
حتى إذا جاء أحدهم الموت قال رب ارجعون.
Until when death comes to any one of them, i.e., the disbelievers, he hence says, O my Lord, send me back.
لعلي أعمل صالحا فيما تركت كلا إنها كلمة هو قائلها ومن ورائهم برزخ إلى يوم يبعثون.
Perhaps now I may do some good deeds which I have left behind therein, i.e., previously neglected. Never. This is just a word that he utters from his mouth, and in front of them is a barrier until the day in which they will be raised.
فإذا نفخ في الصور فلا أنساب بينهم يومئذ ولا يتساءلون.
Thus, when the trumpet will be blown, there will therefore neither be any relationship amongst them that day, nor are they to ask about one another.
فمن ثقلت موازينه فأولئك هم المفلحون.
So, the ones whose scales prove to be heavy with good deeds, only they are the successful.
ومن خفت موازينه فأولئك الذين خسروا أنفسهم في جهنم خالدون.
And the ones whose scales prove light, it is they who had put their lives into ruin. They shall remain in hell forever.
تلفح وجوههم النار وهم فيها كالحون.
The fire shall strike their faces, and they will remain therein with faces pulled up.
ألم تكن آياتي تتلى عليكم فكنتم بها تكذبون.
Were my verses not recited upon you? You consequently used to belie them.
قالوا ربنا غلبت علينا شقوتنا وكنا قوما ضالين.
They will say, O our Lord, our misfortune overcame us, and we were people gone astray.
ربنا أخرجنا منها فإن عدنا فإنا ظالمون.
O our Lord, remove us from hell. If we then do the same evil acts, we are therefore unjust.
قال اخسئوا فيها ولا تكلمون.
Allah will say, remain accursed therein, and do not speak to me.
إنه كان فريق من عبادي يقولون ربنا آمنا فاغفر لنا وارحمنا وأنت خير الراحمين.
Indeed, there was a group amongst my bondsmen who used to say, O our Lord, we have believed, forgive us therefore, and have mercy upon us, and you are the best to bestow mercy.
فاتخذتموهم سخريا حتى أنسوكم ذكري وكنتم منهم تضحكون.
You hence made them a laughing stock, until in making them a laughing stock, you forgot my remembrance, and you used to laugh at them.
إني جزيتهم اليوم بما صبروا أنهم الفائزون.
Indeed, this day for their patience I have rewarded them this, that only they are the successful ones.
قال كم لبثتم في الأرض عدد سنين.
He, Allah said, how long did you stay on earth according to the number of years?
قالوا لبثنا يوما أو بعض يوم فاسأل العادين.
They said, we stayed one day or part of a day. So ask those who keep count, i.e. the angels.
قال إن لبثتم إلا قليلا لو أنكم كنتم تعلمون.
He said, you stayed not but only a little while if you knew.
أفحسبتم أنما خلقناكم عبثا وأنكم إلينا لا ترجعون.
So do you think that we have created you in vain and that you are not to return to us?
فتعالى الله الملك الحق لا إله إلا هو رب العرش الكريم.
Hence, most supreme is Allah, the true King. There is no one worthy of worship except Him, owner of the throne of honor.
ومن يدع مع الله إلها آخر لا برهان له به فإنما حسابه عند ربه إنه لا يفلح الكافرون.
And the one who worships any other gods along with Allah, of which he does not have any authority, his account is therefore with his Lord. Indeed, there is no salvation for the disbelievers.
وقل رب اغفر وارحم وأنت خير الراحمين.
And submit you, O beloved, O my Lord, forgive the believers and have mercy, and you are the best to bestow mercy.
صدق الله العظيم.